Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is a swatching video on the new L'Oreal Le Chocolat Pro Matte Infallible Liquid Lipsticks. And I do believe that the formula is similar to the Pro Matte liquid lipsticks that everybody was raving about a while ago. So there are 6 new shades available, and at Ulta they retail for $9.99, but I was able to get them buy one get one half off, and then I did get this cute little makeup bag for my purchase. There are 6 different shades ranging in nude colors. Again, it's a matte formula. They are said to wear for 16 hours. They're supposed to be transfer proof, and a bonus is that they smell like chocolate. So first off, I've been dying to see if they actually do smell like chocolate. So let's test it out. Wow, yeah, they really do. Actually, that smells really good. So the names of the shades are Candyman, Sweet Tooth, Dose of Cocoa, Box O Chocolate, Bittersweet, and 70% Yum. So as you can see, the names of the shades obviously are all along the lines of something related to chocolate, which I think is really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch every shade for you, and then I'm going to choose one I'm going to wear, and I'll check in at the end of the day to see if they have the same formula as the other Pro Matte liquid lipsticks do, meaning that they pretty much don't budge through anything. So if these are the kind of videos you like, remember, give me a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wasteland. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Alright guys, so we are at the end of the day check-in. I've had this on for about 7 hours now. The shade that I chose to wear all day was Candyman, which is kind of this mauve tone. I will say that it turned a lot darker as it dried down on my lips. I'll also say that it probably got about 3 or 4 hours until it started to, ball up on my lips a little bit. But I mean, that's through eating and drinking. So as far as that goes, I mean, you can clearly tell it's still on. It would just need, maybe to be touched up. As far as the shades go that I personally liked, I liked 842, which is Candyman, 844, which is Sweet Tooth, and 848, which is Dose of Cocoa. So kind of the three darker shades, they just weren't really my cup of tea. I mean, that's just, again, personal preference. You might find that you like those and you don't like the lighter shades. So to wrap it up, the scent of these smells absolutely delicious. Now, I personally don't think that you're going to get 16 hours of wear out of this, but again, who is wearing a lip product for 16 hours? I know I'm not. So as far as, you know, the longevity of it goes, you know, 3 to 4 hours, and I would need to touch it up. I'm perfectly fine with that, especially for the price of these, you know, $9.99, which I got them buy one, get one half off. So in the comments, let me know which shade you are most intrigued by and that you might go to the drugstore and purchase on your own. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, as well as please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.